making star.
And then stir it slowly.
See, Mom, I'm making star. Assalamualaikum friend, my name is Daisy. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to make something for you. You want to know how?
So what are the ingredients?
This is milk. Oh, I don't want milk. Full milk. And so this is mango. And so this is
Condensed milk.
condensed milk.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to make
The
it. First step is a condensed milk. Don't, my baby.
So what are you going to do?
Don't. Mommy.
Come condense there.
Don't.
Okay, that's alright. Cook it together.
Don't.
Yeah, cook it together.
I know, Mom. Like this.
Okay.
I'm making star.
And then stir it slowly.
See, Mom, I'm making star. Stop it. Stop it. Have done?
Done.
It's alright.
Okay, what's next step?
Oh, I guess
What's
you.
the next step? Okay.
Okay, next step. Can I choose the color?
Up to you.
I like color. It's orange. It's good for me color. Help me. Don't dash it. Don't drink it all.
Be hurry because that's.
Just saw it, Mommy. She's still baby.
Oh, okay.
Babies cannot like me. Oh my god. Dasha, it's cooking. It's not meal time. It's not dinner. Mango.
What is last step? Baby?
This. Make the popsicle cover. Okay then. Next we put the cover like this.
Okay.
It's so fun when Dasha can eating with me.
Okay, this is last cover.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Last, I put this on the table.
For what?
One
One
day.
what?
1 day.
Really?
Okay, friend, this is my cooking activity today. Assalamualaikum.